Hello guys, welcome to another video of the DVMS question series. So today we are going to talk about the question set 49. In here, as you can see in the question, the principal of Pranamima School in Kandy intends to create a software to enter the information of teachers and students in that school. You are entrusted with the task of creating this software. The team is tasked with developing the database of this software. Database development work is shared between you and everyone on the team. We are tasked with storing student and teacher information. Creating the tables needed to store the subjects are teachers teach and the subjects that students learn. Use the instructions below to create it. Okay, so we have created the database in the previous videos and we have created the tables. So in this question they are asking the schools enter the data after installing the software. All information is included in this software. The principal of the school informed us that the software had to be removed and reinstalled due to a virus in the computer. Imagine that you have chosen yourselves. Here you can see that the database has to be backed up. To create a backup file, select the C partition, use Pranamima SHTB backup as the name of the backup. Create the required backup query for this. Okay, now we have to create a backup using DDL Query using a CMD. So let's start making it. First you have to open command prompt here. I'm going to search CMD here. Then I'm going to type CMD and click OK. Okay, here is our command prompt. So here I'm going to first write cd then I'm going to write cd. Now I'm going to log into the mysql server. I'm going to write program files. Then in the program files I'm going to type cd my. Now in the MySQL, I'm going to write cd mysql server 8.0. After that, I am going to write cd bin. So next, I am going to back up my database. So I'm going to use mysql dump. Next my username is root, then password, then my database runner imma SCHDB. Then I'm going to use this greater than sign to back up the database. We are using the greater than sign for that. Then I'm going to assign a new place in the D. Then I'm going to name the backup database as Pranamima SCHTB backup .sql. Then I'm going to execute the query. Now I'm going to enter the password of my MySQL database. Yeah, as you can see, my name is wrong here, so I'm going to again write the query here. As you can see, I'm going to change the test. I'm going to enter the password. Okay, as you can see now, my database is backup, so I'm going to check here. As you can see here, you can see the runway.chtv. So this is how you back up a file. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.